Every journey begins in the soil, where sweetness quietly grows.
Here, quality is judged long before machines take over.
Precision harvesting ensures efficiency without waste. From field to motion, the process never pauses.
Only the best cane earns the next step. Timing is critical when freshness defines yield.
The harvest now begins its transformation.
Speed matters when nature's freshness is on the clock. Every kilometer is measured in potential yield. The fields give way to steel and structure.
This is where agriculture meets industry.
Every load is measured before it's released.
Inside the mill, flow replaces distance. The handoff from road to process is complete. This is the heart where raw harvest becomes refined power. Gravity and machinery begin the separation. Every stalk now follows the same path. The mill awakens as volume increases.
Human judgment keeps the system balanced.
Flow is controlled before force is applied. Preparation sets the stage for extraction.
Before extraction, purity must be restored.
Mechanical cleaning removes what water cannot. Only usable fiber proceeds. Protection here prevents damage later. Human eyes still matter in modern mills. Consistency ensures efficient extraction. Now, the real transformation begins. Force releases the sweetness locked inside. Liquid gold begins its journey. Nothing valuable is left behind.
Efficiency is measured in fractions recovered.
Even the leftovers serve a purpose. Purification continues step by step.
The raw extract prepares for refinement.
Heat and chemistry reveal what must be removed.
Cleanliness is engineered, not guessed.
What remains is ready for concentration.
Water is removed, essence intensified. Sweetness begins to take form. Automation brings precision to every variable. Timing and temperature guide crystal growth. Under vacuum, structure is born. Uniformity defines commercial quality. Nothing escapes standardization.
Finishing enhances appearance and flow.
Safety checks never stop. Now, science confirms the result. Every batch must prove itself.
Traceability begins with documentation.
Moisture defines shelf life. Consistency is measured, not assumed.
Purity reveals the success of every step.
Standards are met before release. Only approved product moves forward. From flow to form, packaging begins. Precision ensures each bag is perfect. Identification guarantees traceability. Organization maximizes storage efficiency. Every batch waits ready for shipment. Distribution delivers the harvest to the world. And this is how modern factories produce sugar from start to finish.